It looks like Samsung is planning a big change for its upcoming Galaxy S26 series. A recent leak hints that one of the models we've been used to for years might be going away, and something new could be taking its place. If this turns out to be true, it would be one of the biggest changes in Samsung's flagship lineup in a long time. For years now, Samsung has followed the same plan with its Galaxy S phones. Every year, they launch 3 models, a standard version, a Plus version, and an Ultra version. It's been a simple and familiar lineup for a while. But according to this new leak, things might be different with the Galaxy S26. A report picked up by Sammy Paulus from the GSMA database suggests Samsung may drop the Galaxy S26 Plus model entirely. Instead of the usual Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra, the company might launch the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. That's right, the Plus model could be gone, and Samsung might bring back the Edge name, which it hasn't used in a while. What makes this leak seem likely is the model numbers. Usually, Samsung's model numbers follow a pattern. The standard version ends with a 1, the Plus with a 6, and the Ultra with an 8. But this year, the leaked numbers are different. The Galaxy S26 is listed as SMS9 for 2, the Galaxy S26 Edge as SMS9 for 7, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra as SMS9 for 8. The number 7 in the Edge model matches the way Samsung used to label its Edge phones in the past. It looks like they're swapping out the Plus model and bringing in the Edge. What's even more interesting is that the regular Galaxy S26 now ends with a 2 instead of a 1. This might mean Samsung plans to give the base model a few upgrades, maybe a bigger screen, a slightly better battery, or some extra features that set it apart from last year's version. So why would Samsung do this? One reason could be that the Plus model doesn't really stand out anymore. It's not as compact and affordable as the regular Galaxy S, and it doesn't have the extra features of the Ultra. It's stuck in the middle, and maybe customers aren't as interested in that in-between option anymore. By dropping the Plus, Samsung could focus on making the base and Ultra models clearer choices, with the Edge adding something a little different. Bringing back the Edge model could also help make the lineup feel fresh again. Back when Samsung first introduced curved edge displays, they were very popular and helped set Samsung's phones apart. Now that the Edge branding is making a comeback, Samsung might add unique design touches or features to help the phone stand out. Another interesting point is that this leak comes at a time when Apple is rumored to be doing something similar. Apple is expected to drop its iPhone 17 Plus model and replace it with a thinner, sleeker version called the iPhone 17 Air. It seems like both companies are moving away from the middle child phone that sits between the base and premium models. This could be part of a bigger trend in the phone industry. Brands might be realizing that most customers either want a compact, affordable phone or a top-of-the-line device packed with features. Phones in the middle often don't attract as much attention or sales. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but these leaks are getting a lot of attention because the model numbers were found in an official database, which makes them more believable. And these changes aren't just about new names. They could mean real differences in the phones themselves. If the Galaxy S26 Edge is coming back, it'll be interesting to see what makes it different. Will it have a curved screen like the old Edge models? Will it feature a new camera system or unique design? No one knows yet, but it's clear Samsung is trying something new. For customers, this could be good news. It means more variety and possibly simpler choices. Whether you prefer a small phone, a premium Ultra model, or something with a stylish, curved screen, Samsung might be trying to create options that feel more distinct from one another. We'll keep watching for new leaks and updates. But if this one turns out to be true, the Galaxy S26 lineup could end up looking very different and maybe more exciting than what we were expecting.